Welcome to our channel. Applying for the American Express Gold Card gives you access to generous rewards on dining and groceries along with valuable travel benefits. Step 1. Go to the American Express website at americanexpress.com or search for Amex Gold Card. Step 2. Navigate to the Gold Card product page to review benefits, annual fee, and current welcome offers. Step 3. Click Apply Now to begin the application process. Step 4. Provide personal information including your full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Step 5. Enter your current address and length of time at this address. Step 6. Provide employment information including your employer name, position, and annual income including salary and other earnings. Step 7. Enter your monthly housing payment amount for rent or mortgage. Step 8. Review the terms and conditions including the annual fee of $325 and APR information. Step 9. Submit your application and wait for an immediate decision or a response within 7-10 business days. Step 10. If approved, your Gold Card will arrive within 7-10 business days and you can add it to your digital wallet immediately. Step 11. Note that the Gold Card earns 4x points on dining worldwide and US supermarkets plus 3x points on flights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.